Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to set up Astra's Mega Menu. Right, so what are we talking about when we mean Mega Menu? So you've probably seen in some sites that you use that not all of them have just a simple single line or two-line menu here. In fact, this is the limit of the ordinary menu here. So we have a menu 1 or our primary menu here, and our secondary menu here if you wanted to separate them. But usually we have just one menu in the middle. Now a mega menu is, let's say you're on Amazon or something. In fact, here's an example, not Amazon anymore as I've checked, but let's say we hover down here to products on this website and you can see that all of the categories are on here. Right? So let's learn how to make something like that on our website. So let's begin by heading over to our dashboard over here, hovering over Astra and clicking on Astra's own dashboard. You'll see it's different from our main one. And in order to enable the mega menu, you need to have Astra Pro activated. So if you're on the free one, you're out of luck. So scroll down here and make sure that nav menu is enabled on your Astra Pro modules. Alright, the next thing you want to do is to go on to appearances over here on the left sidebar and click on menus. Alright, and let's go ahead and create a new menu. Let's call it the Mega Menu. All right. And let's click on Create Menu. And here we go. And we can start by adding a page to set it up from. So let's click on Home and click Add Menu, right? We'll click on that and it will show a bunch of things, home and so on. Make sure to click on this Astra menu settings and it'll reveal the sidebar on the right hand side. And you can see here, Mega Menu is the first thing on the list, and let's click on Enable. Alright, now you can see that we have options for the menu width, and we can have custom width and it'll give us the pixels of how wide we want the menu, full width stretched, full width, or a menu container width. Let's just stick with content for now. And the icon, you can have no icon here, or we can choose an icon, or we can just select an icon from somewhere else. So let's click on this one, make it look like a hamburger icon. And yeah, that should be fine. Okay, next we have our background colors. We can choose an image, but we can go with just black, I guess. And our heading colors, we can make those orange, and when we hover over them, they turn white. And we have our dividers here, and spacing, and so on. Okay, so we can save those changes right now and configure what appears on our menu. Okay, so first things first, we have home here. All right, now let's go ahead and click on Save Menu here, and our menu has been updated. And actually, I'm feeling like we ought to change our design options here, because just to make sure, let me double check that our text is all good. Maybe this one's there, and we'll save the changes there. Okay, so with the changes saved here on menu, right, let's go ahead and add it to our page. So either we can click on Customize here, or go to our dashboard and click on Customize. Keeping things short, let's click on Customize from here. And once it loads up, we have our ordinary menu here. Let's click on Header Builder and click on the primary menu and configure the menu from there. And let's go back and click on Mega Menu. And let's select primary menu. And there it is. Currently nothing appears on here. So let's add some items. So first things first, since this is an e-commerce, it's a web shop, let's add shop and product categories. Let's just add all of these here. And let's see how it looks like. And it looks like an ordinary menu, right? So what we have to do in order to make this mega menu work is click on Reorder and make it as a sub-item to the main one here. So it's tiered. It's like headings. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, home is 0 according to the documentation. And you can see here, here's our mega menu. And right now, because they're all categorized as sub-items, it seems just like a menu with its headers. But if we put all of these product categories underneath the shop, so this is 0, this is 1, and then this is now 2, you can see that it's categorized according to this. So we can go further and add more items, such as account details, lost password, addresses, orders, right? And we can even, so what we're going to do here is, actually I'll put this all the way down. Account details, we'll make that as a subcategory, and then we'll put all of these underneath that, right? And we'll put this down at the bottom. And watch what happens. Okay, now we have these two columns here, and it's all automatic. You can go as far as to add even further subcategories from here. And you don't really have to do anything. You just have to arrange your menu items here in order for them to appear here. So we have our home set up. So let's add our blog items, our articles. So let's put our blog here. And our contact and about and my account. I should have probably put this up here. And then this as a sub-item. Sub-item. Let's see how that looks like. Okay, brilliant. And then now for our blog, we want to put that into here. And then these will be sub-items as well. And then now we can also add categories from our blog, or tags even, right? But let's just go with these just as examples. And now we can reorder these and make sure that these are underneath our blog. Okay. And now we should have 3 columns now, and it should only be one menu. And there you have it. There's our mega menu. So once we're happy with that, we can click on Publish. Let's not worry about everything else for the moment, just the mega menu, right? And we can go to our live site and refresh it. And here it is. There's our mega menu, and let's see if it works. So we can click on Shop. And obviously, these are all links. It's very simple as far as backend goes. You don't have to worry about it, in fact. And smartphones, let's see our smartphones. And basically, we have figured out how to configure our mega menu. And if you wanted to go ahead and change how it looks like, we can go back here and click on Astra menu settings, and we can change the design. Unfortunately, we don't have, we can, if you wanted to, manage it there, but as far as design options go, you'd have to configure it from here, but it's not that much of a big deal. So let's say we wanted to change it to a different menu, different icon, excuse me. How about this, the like actual hamburger one, or let's choose something interesting. Okay, how about this one? All right, and you can put it after, and you can make it bigger. You can make the spacing a bit larger, and with the design, we can change the background to a gradient, just for demonstration purposes. And radial. Save the changes. Okay. And once we refresh our site here, we'll see how our mega menu ends up looking. And you can see that the menu looks very different, and it's very hard to read. But that's how you can configure your mega menu. So, if you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, commenting, and subscribing to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.